Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Mall Public School. Let's start our today's activity of Mathematics Standard 10th. In today's activity we will solve different types of equations but not by algebraic method but on the graph paper. So let's see our today's activity. Before starting the activity, note down some important points. For writing an activity, you have to take A4 size paper, chart paper or any plain paper. Don't forget to mention your name, standard and section. After that, write down activity's name, objective and material required. Do the activity and at the end of this, you have to write down the learning outcome. So let's see our today's activity. Activity on solving different types of equations on the graph paper so that you can visualize and get the practical knowledge of the condition of consistency of the system. And you can identify the different types of equations by plotting the points and understand the conditions. Now for this you require graph paper, pencil and practical page and ruler. Any plain page also it will do. So let's see that. Take the system of equation given here. 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and 2x plus 6y equals to 10. Now get the three different values x and y. Plot the given points on the graph paper and state the lines are consistent or inconsistent. And then plot this point on the graph paper, paste the graph, and after that you have to write down the learning outcomes. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.